Hello and welcome to this new video on how to see timeline in Google Maps. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open your Google Maps application. It is available on Play Store. And when you are inside the Google Maps interface, you just have to look on the top right hand side of the screen, or you can just look on the source bar, and on the right hand side of the source bar there will be a circular icon, or you can also call it the profile icon. So you just have to click on that particular icon and a pop-up box will appear right in front of your screen. Now you just have to look inside the pop-up box. There will be an option called your timeline. So you just have to click on your timeline option and an interface will be appeared right in front of you where you will be able to see your timeline. So this is how to access timeline in Google Maps easily. So if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.